How to log in to Chegg account. So to log into Chegg account, first you have to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar, search for Chegg. And after that, on the first search, you will have www.chegg.com. Click on that, and it will directly take you to the web page. And now to log in or to sign in, first on the upper right corner you will have sign in option. You can click on that, and now here you have to enter your email and then your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option here. You can click on that, and then you will receive a code to this email which you have used to create your Chegg account. And after that, you can click on reset password, and you will get a code to your email, and you have to enter that code and you can reset your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter your password, and then after entering your email and password, click on sign in. And that's it, you have logged into your Chegg account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.